As you can see, I've edited my photo in Lightroom. I've adjusted the exposure, contrast, and all the other different settings in the light portion of the photo. I've adjusted the color settings. I've even gone all the way down and I've added a lens blur to the photo just to kind of give it a little bit more of a shallow depth of field. So I'm ready to go. I've got my photo edited the way that I want it. Now I'm ready to put it into Photoshop so I can add other layers to it. In this case, I am going to add text to the photo. So I am going to go up here to my file, and then I'm going to go to edit in Photoshop. I could also hold down Shift, hold down Command, and hold down E if I wanted to. Edit in Photoshop, and that command is the same thing. Then you are going to see right here, it is going to take a little bit of time, and it is going to open in Photoshop. So it's going to load up into Photoshop. Photoshop will open on its own, and you will be able to start editing your photo. Now my photo has popped up in Photoshop, and I am ready to start doing some editing.